Like this the ratchet belt will come with the ratchet. Now I am opening. Raj coming.
Okay, let me unpack one more.
Yeah.
And we do second one.
My colleague is uncoiling the bag. Sorry, belt packing.
Ratchet.
Yeah. This is called ratchet. With this help we can tighten this belt. And how many tons safer can load of this belt? It's not in tons.
It's in 5,000. So it's 5 tons.
5 tons. And it is decreasing as per the length, I think.
That's it.
Elongation is 7%.
That's it.
So we can hold the weight, 5 ton weight with this belt. We already rigged one belt. This is the coil. This hook we have to place it in the one side. He is rigging on the other side. So I am going to put the ratchet over here. So this is the mechanism of the ratchet. If you want tight, just pull it, put it and pull it back. Now there is no belt was rigged, so we cannot tight those belt. No, the other end of the belt we have to insert in this way and pull it tightly. Then this hook should be placed on the other side of the object or party or bags. Now we are securing the bags. Then pull this ratchet continuously. If you want to release, you have to make sure this ratchet should be fully open. You almost like this 180 degree. If you open, this lock will get released. After that you can pull the belt without any damage. Otherwise you cannot pull the belt. We have to cut the belt. And this is the locking handle of the ratchet. See, when you are tightening this, you have to pull this handle and release it for tightening purpose. It will lock in the gear and it will pull. Okay. Now which way? Like this we have to insert the belt and take the slack as much as you can. Straight. Oh, wait, I will put it on the hook up. So now we are placing the ratchet handle on top of the bags so that it won't damage the bags. Okay. No, that will slip. Should lock. Okay, you will see. One side become free. Okay. Oh, careful. See. So now I am going to tight. This will get rotate. Okay, you will see. One side become free. Okay. Yeah, careful, careful. See? So now I am going to tight. This will get rotate. Okay. That's all. Maximum. Like this we have to lock finally. That's all finished. See the tension. This way we have to rig the ratchet belt. Thank you.